What is Uranus planet? Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and is characterized by its unique blue-green color. It is named after the ancient Greek god of the sky, Uranus. This distant planet is often referred to as an ice giant because it is composed mainly of ice and gas, rather, than solid materials like Earth. Uranus has a diameter 4 times bigger than that of Earth and is the third largest planet in our solar system. It is also known for its tilt, as it rotates on its side, making its axis almost parallel to its orbit around the Sun. This unusual feature gives Uranus its distinct appearance and unique weather patterns, with an average temperature of around 224 degrees Celsius, 371 degrees Fahrenheit. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. This extreme cold is due to its distance from the Sun, receiving only about 1/400th of the sunlight Earth does. The lack of internal heat also contributes to its frigid climate. Another fascinating characteristic of Uranus is its ring system. While not as elaborate as Saturn's rings, Uranus has several rings made up of dark particles. These rings were discovered in 1977 by astronomers, and their origin is still not fully understood. Uranus has a total of 27 known moons, all of which are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. The 5 largest moons are Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Titania, and Oberon. These moons are thought to be composed of a combination of rock and ice. Due to its distance and challenging conditions, Uranus has only been visited by one spacecraft. Voyager 2. In 1946, Voyager 2 provided scientists with important data about the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons. Despite this limited information, Uranus continues to captivate astronomers and researchers who strive to uncover more about its mysterious nature. In conclusion, Uranus is an intriguing planet located in the far reaches of our solar system. Its icy composition, unique tilt, cold temperatures, and distinctive rings make it a fascinating subject of study. While still full of mysteries, our understanding of Uranus continues to expand through ongoing research and exploration.